My God, it's 2 o'clock. Just looked out the window. Look at that bugger. But to add insult to injury, all the bloody frequencies. Let's see if it's on. Hang on. Tons of frequencies. And another mega dirty chemtrail. Look at that one. When it goes to there, look at that bloody shit that's belched. That looks almost solid, doesn't it? Let's have a look. Dirty bastard. I haven't got a clue who laid that, I really haven't. As I say, there's frequencies everywhere as well. Look over here, look at that lot. My God, we've been hard. No, I really don't have a clue who laid that trail. I've not been paying attention. But it's pretty damn obvious what they're doing, isn't it? My God, look at that. Unbelievable. They're still carrying on this bloody hoax, and the few planes we do have are spraying the crap out of us. That's very nice of them, isn't it? We can't expect the RAF or the government to do anything or intervene, can we? They're only in it for the bloody selves. But the frequencies go right round. You can see what a frigging mess. There's even little frequencies up there. Well, no, up a little, will they? Hang on a sec. That is messy. Bastards. Anyway, enjoy your lockdown. They keep doing the little stunts to show, get us to show how stupid we are, don't they? So, well, I'm glad everybody obliges them. Frequencies over there anyway. I never thought looking round, but no. Anyway, this is the one I wanted up here. He says that he got a bloody itch in his eye or something in it. There you go. Nasty. Very bloody nasty. Next time I'm going to get a Pikachu. Not Pikachu, Pikachu. Go for, chortle. There you go. So while it's clear, let's have a quick look. Look at that. Unbelievable. Well, maybe not. They're taking the piss, aren't they? Let's have a look down this way, over to east. There you go. And I think that's about the limit of my recording out this way to the south. So I'm going to end up in a bloody heap the way I'm going. Terribly. Now at the same time we've got all that lot out to the south. This is a view out north. Look at that. Oh, I'm going to say not a dicky bird, but a dicky bird. There's just one over there. Totally clear. Nice blue sky. Windy as buggery like, but the other side of the house, my God, they have hammered us with frequencies and the dirtiest chem I've seen in a long while. Well, no, I saw one earlier, didn't I? But there you go. That's over Darlow. There you go, from the sublime to the ridiculous. The frequencies again. That's over to the east, heading southeast sort of shit. Not much else to see with the rest of these clouds here, but they're really hammering it, aren't they?